Today's lesson you're going to be learning about anaerobic respiration. So I'm going to be asking you to use the textbook with the anaerobic respiration spread there. But what I thought I'd do is I would just show you how I use anaerobic respiration in the kitchen in making bread. So one of the main things I'm going to use today is yeast. And yeast is a living organism. And it's a fungus, and if you look in your textbook, you'll see a picture of yeast under the microscope because yeast is a microorganism. We can't really see it unless we look under the microscope. I'm going to be using it in its dried form today. So you can see there, it's just like little, it looks like a powder, but that's lots and lots of cells of yeast. And it's the yeast which is going to respire to make my bread rise. So I've got in my bowl some flour, and I'm going to add to that some sugar. So the first question I'd like you to answer on the sheet, please, is why does the yeast need sugar? And you might find the answer to that in the textbook. So I'm going to add the yeast to my flour. Then I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to add in a little bit of butter, and then I'm going to add in some salt for flavour. I can't put the salt really close to the yeast because the salt might kill the yeast. I'm then going to add some water to this, and I'm going to make a dough. So I'm going to mix all these things together, and then I'm going to put them into my bread maker, and I'm going to keep it in a warm place. The bread maker will keep it warm. So the second question I'd like you to answer is, why does the dough need to be kept warm?